Market research surveys are essential for understanding your target audience, their needs, preferences, and opinions. They help you create better products, services, and marketing strategies. In this video, we will show you how to make a market research survey using Forms app. First, sign into your Forms app account and click on Create Form on the dashboard. Here, you can choose a starting point for your survey. For this video, we will use Forms app's market research survey template, but you can also go with Forms app AI and generate a form with a single prompt or start with a blank form. Once you open the form, you will see some standard questions for market research. You can edit them as you wish or add new ones. Let's imagine you want to ask for the name and email. All you have to do is select a form field from the menu, drag and drop it onto your survey, and make changes. You can edit the question text and the answer options by clicking on them or the gear icon at the corner. Sometimes, you may want to show a follow-up question if the respondent chooses a specific option. For that, you can set rules to show or hide questions based on previous answers. Simply click on the Logic tab on the left menu and add some conditions for your questions. Once you're done with your questions, go to Design and start customizing the look and feel of your survey. Forms app offers you many customization options to choose from. You can select ready-made themes or create your own design manually. You can also upload a background image or change the font size and color of your survey. Preview your survey and make sure everything is okay and proceed to the Share page. Here, you have many options to share or embed your survey. You can customize the URL and use it on your social media profiles or email campaigns. You can also embed your survey on your website or blog by choosing an embed method and copying the embed code. This will help you open your survey after a specific time or add it as a feedback button. That's it from this tutorial. Open the link in the description and create your own market research survey today for free. Watch our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to use Forms app.